Air fryers have become one of the most essential kitchen appliances in American homes. Whether you're trying to eat healthier, save cooking time, or simply enjoy crispy food with less oil, a good air fryer can completely change the way you cook. In 2026, the USA market is filled with air fryers of different sizes, features, and price ranges, which can make choosing the right one pretty confusing. That's why in this video, I've put together a list of the top 5 best air fryers in the USA in 2026, covering budget-friendly options, feature-packed models, and the best overall air fryer. I'll also mention the current buying price range, not the listed one, since prices change over time, so let's get started. On number 5, we have the Gourmet Air Fryer Oven with a 4-quart capacity, a very popular and affordable option for everyday home cooking. This air fryer comes with a digital display and 12 one-touch cooking presets, making it extremely beginner-friendly. It uses Gourmet's Fry Force technology, which circulates hot air evenly to give you crispy results with little to no oil. The 4-quart size is perfect for small families, couples, or individuals who want quick meals without taking up too much counter space. The black and stainless steel design also looks modern and clean in most kitchens. From fries and chicken wings to vegetables and snacks, this air fryer handles daily cooking tasks very well. The current buying price range for this model is around $45, making it one of the best budget air fryers you can buy in 2026. On number 4, we have the Chefman 4-quart compact air fryer, a great option for people who want fast cooking and extra crisp results. This air fryer features high-fry technology, which boosts heat at the end of cooking for that extra crunch many people love. It comes with a sleek touchscreen control panel and 4 easy-to-use presets, making it simple even for first-time users. The nonstick basket is dishwasher safe, which makes cleaning quick and hassle-free. Its compact size makes it ideal for apartments, dorms, or kitchens with limited counter space, while still being powerful enough to cook full meals. The current buying price range is about $50, which is excellent value for a compact, yet powerful air fryer with modern controls. On number 3, we have the Cosori 9-in-1 Turbo Blaze Air Fryer, a premium air fryer designed for people who want more control and versatility in their cooking. This model comes with a 6-quart capacity, making it suitable for families. It supports a wide temperature range from 90 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, reheat, proof dough, and even keep food warm. The premium ceramic coating ensures even heating and easier cleaning. Cosori is known for precise temperature control, and this air fryer delivers consistent results across different types of food. Whether you're cooking frozen snacks or fresh meals, it performs extremely well. The current buying price range is around $90, making it a strong mid to high range option for serious home cooks. On number 2, we have a Chefman 6-quart dual basket air fryer, a fantastic choice for multitasking in the kitchen. This air fryer features 2 independent 3-quart baskets, allowing you to cook 2 different foods at the same time. It comes with easy view windows, sync finish technology, and auto shutoff for safety. The high fry feature ensures crisp textures, while the digital controls make operations smooth and intuitive. This is an excellent option for families or anyone who wants to cook full meals faster without mixing flavors. The nonstick baskets are also dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple. The current buying price range is around $70, which is a very competitive price for a dual basket air fryer in 2026. Taking the number 1 spot on our list is the Ninja 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer, the best overall air fryer in the USA for 2026. This air fryer offers air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate functions, making it extremely versatile. It has a 5-quart capacity, which can fit up to 4 pounds of French fries, perfect for families and meal prep. With a maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers fast, even cooking with consistently crispy results. The nonstick basket and crisper plate are durable and easy to clean, which adds to long-term convenience. Ninja is known for reliability, performance, and build quality, and this model checks all the right boxes. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced home cook, This air fryer is a solid investment. The current buying price range is around $90, and for what it offers, it easily earns the title of best overall air fryer on this list. So that's our list of the top 5 best air fryers in the USA in 2026. From affordable options to feature-rich models and the best overall performer, there's an air fryer here for every type of user and budget. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest product breakdowns and buying guides. Let me know in the comments which air fryer you'd choose for your kitchen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.